Introducing our new and improved Mercedes S600. What's up, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to one of the most highly anticipated S600 videos yet, part 10. Today is the day we pick up this car with its brand new paint job.
Yes, it's been quite the journey, so thank you to all of you who have helped out and joined along the way. But for those of you who are new to the project, we got this car from auction with suspension damage, mechanical damage, not running, body work needed to be done, and finally paint. But we're at the final paint stage and I can't wait to see how it looks.
This $850 Mercedes is gonna look, dare I say, close to brand new.
Maybe even better than new with this custom paint.
Oh, I cannot wait to show you guys. We're picking it up here in just a moment. Garrett has been hard at work, but as you guys can see all the stuff in the back, you're probably wondering like, what's up? Well, we are about to embark on a 16-hour road trip to Texas. We're buying something actually insane. Your only hint that we're gonna give is it doesn't have 4 wheels. So feel free to comment down below. We'll pick a couple winners for free JR Garage t-shirts. I'm excited to see what you guys think we picked up, but you'll see. Stay tuned to the channel. Speaking of long road trips, this is the perfect opportunity to thank our sponsor for today's video, Audible. Audible is the leading provider of spoken word entertainment and audiobooks from all different genres. So whether you're into fiction, science fiction, non-fiction, romance, business topics like me, there is something for everyone.
So not only will Audible make this road trip a breeze, but it'll also allow us to accomplish some of our goals and New Year's resolutions that we had for this year.
So like many of you all out there, I am not a big reader. I am an Audible learner. I love listening to documentaries. I love listening to audiobooks. So this is the perfect opportunity to kick off my 2020 New Year's resolutions right. I want to get into more business books. So for this road trip, Christian and I went through their business category and we picked out Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. We'll be listening to that. You can also start your 2020 off right by hitting our special link in the description below or by visiting audible.com/JRGarage or by texting JR Garage to 500-500.
As a JR Garage viewer, you'll get a free 30-day trial, including 1 audiobook and 2 Audible originals absolutely free.
So once again, that is audible.com/JRGarage. It's 100% free to start. You can't lose, so be sure to check them out.
So thank you, Audible, for supporting this channel and making this road trip possible.
We just pulled up. You know what time it is. Let's go. We're gonna get reunited with the S600. So I just texted Garrett. He just finished painting it earlier this afternoon. So still a couple things that need to be done. Wet sanding, all the emblems and chrome pieces have to go back on. He says he's out back. He's always got so many projects going on. Some classics, some new cars. I see the roof of it. Welcome back, S600. Garrett, what's up? So, we're reunited. You were not kidding. Holy cow.
Oh, this looks good.
So, we gotta walk everyone through what you did. How'd everything go?
We'll start with the difficulties. The challenges were the front end. We talked about how there's the cracks, the Bondo work, and all all that good stuff. We're able to clip in the bumper a little bit better. Door dings we're able to pop out.
Yeah, that's right.
Kind of do a little body work over that. Color-wise, we went with the factory 904, that's the code, and we kind of changed the variants. We kind of added a little bit more black, and we added some metallic to it if you want.
Oh yeah, here we go. He brought the light. Sheesh. Whoa, okay.
Midnight blue for you, for sure.
So in the viewfinder, it definitely looks black at times, especially in low light like this without the sun blasting on it. So I think we successfully pleased everyone. So many people wanted black. Okay, cool, it looks black. So many people wanted blue. Okay, cool, let the sun come out. It's blue. We really aimed to please everyone with this, and Garrett was able to work some magic with the flake and really, because we wanted something metallic. Like, you can't just have a flat, boring paint job.
I think it's really gonna go well with the wheels that we have in store. You remember the little sneak peek of those?
We've never showed you guys before, but we'll give you a little look. Ooh, okay.
So I can't wait to get those on this car.
Oh yeah.
And maybe even do something for all my two-tone guys out there. There's still an idea that we have.
So you mentioned that one challenge of the front bumper, the really messed up front bumper. Christian, you remember the fender was all messed up? Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Can't even tell.
Were extra super rolled before.
Holy cow.
And now they look great.
If we talk about the headlights for a second, these were so foggy and messed up before, and these look like brand new headlights.
That's something we didn't even think about or ask of you when we were coming in here, but you knew that.
Yeah, I saw the yellow tint. I just had to go get down and dirty with the wet sand.
So what? So you just wet sanded and clear coated?
Yeah,
Wow.
That's our go-to for headlights.
Well, that definitely worked. The doors, they're no longer silver, like tricky part of the paint job, yet it didn't phase you at all. And the bumpers, remember, it wasn't just the doors, it was the rear bumper too.
Yeah, the lower side skirts.
Oh, and that. Forgot about the side
skirts. We did
skirts.
our own little repair down on this guy, and you were able to work with that, making our work look professional. Thank you.
Look at that. Half this car used to be silver.
And then the door jambs, we gave you an extra tough time by giving you silver doors, which have silver insides of doors. And so we took care of that so that when you open the door, it doesn't look silver.
So obviously, we mentioned earlier, you just finished this paint job, like today, right? This morning?
Yes, sir, this afternoon.
Just in the nick of time.
Start baking.
So there's still a little bit more that needs to be done. Can you touch on what, you know, wet sanding does for those interested and, you know, what you still have to do?
Yeah, for sure. So I mean, basically after we finish a car, after we're done clear coating, we let it bake in the sun for a good 48, 72 hours. And after that, we go through, we have a certain soap that kind of adds like a layer of lubricant for the sandpaper so it doesn't kind of get too deep into the clear coat. But we take 2,000, 3,000 grit, really just run it over with the DA. The little soft pad kind of flexes around all the curves. We run that compound around the whole car, really just getting a lot of the orange peel off, just from a lot of the coats that we made.
Okay, so yeah, so a lot of this orange peel, which I don't know if you can even tell on the viewfinder, but a little bit's there, but that's gonna knock that out.
Yeah, that fogginess look, and it'll just give that more mirror finish. And then after all the compound polishing, we'll run the actual polisher over that, and really just give it a good wax and it'll be good to go.
Holy moly. So it already looks amazing now before the wet sanding, so it's gonna pop even more when we pick it up when we're back from Texas.
And especially thanks to all the extra touches that Garrett did. So up on that front grille, redid, polished up, clear coated.
All that looks super nice. Still got to put some back on though.
Yeah, S600, the bi-turbo badge is gone for good. Mercedes emblem goes back on.
What do you guys think about the D-badge look? I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Do we rock the
D-badge? An S500, not an S600.
Yeah, you D-badge the S430s to pretend to be the S600s. No reason to debadge a V12, but once again through the viewfinder it looks straight up black, but
it looks blue from over here.
See, there we go. It's a win-win. Changes colors depending on the lighting. Still got to remove this windshield, awful windshield tint. It's hard to see at night. It's so dark. It's pretty bad, but a couple other little things to do.
Yeah, so then the trim goes back on, and then those polished chrome wheels set this car off.
Oh yeah, the loaner wheels are going bye-bye, back to Kyle. They were fun while they lasted, but I'm telling you guys, the new wheels that we got going on with the new Yokohama tires when they come are going to look phenomenal with this paint job. This car is going to look far from $850. Can you believe that, Garrett? $850, that's how life started.
I mean, look at all these cars, and they're gonna be looking showroom ready, just like this one.
True, you bring all these things back to life, so I guess it's nothing new for you to take on this project. What a job, and you got it done so quick and just, oh man, we're blown away. Thank you once again. Hit up Garrett if you guys are in Phoenix, need something done. So you do the full paint jobs, but you also do single pieces, I see, and just...
Yeah, we tear them apart, we put them back together, you
do it all.
Really try to do it all.
So we know how easy it is to put off bodywork or put off a little paint work that you want to do to your car, but why did we put this off to the end if only we knew how good it could look?
I know, right? Why did this take months to do?
Thank you all for staying on us about this and getting this done, and also for coming up with this perfect paint color. I think you guys were right.
Yeah, not gonna lie, you guys were right. Everyone said go dark blue, black, one color. At least a lot of you guys said one color, and you're right. This definitely looks really good, but who knows, we may do a little two-tone action with a wrap down the line. So stay tuned, but you guys were definitely right. Thank goodness we listened to you. Drop a comment down below if you said one color and give yourself a little pat on the back, because you guys nailed it with the help and expertise of Garrett. Without you, we would not be here. We'd still be rocking tri-tone, looking so terrible rolling down the road. Now we're looking like a proper S-Class, that's for sure. Well guys, it's getting a little dark here. We gotta hit the road to Texas to pick up this new toy of ours, which we will see if they can guess in the comment section down below.
So we're gonna be stopping by Houston, where the truck is gonna get some love too, with some awesome new front seats.
We're gonna see you in 2-3 days, something like that, few days. That'll give you enough time to finish the last little bits, and we'll probably get a video picking it up once the wet sanding's done and all the chrome is back on. We're 100% taking it to like the pavilion show and letting some people hear this thing, because so many people wanted to see it and hear it, and this V12 straight pipe sounds really, really insane in person.
I just can't get over this. I was getting a little too used to it being 3 different colors, a little too comfortable with that, and so glad we got this done.
What were we thinking? Looking back, I'm like, what are we doing rolling around with 3 colors when this was waiting the whole time? But so glad we finally pulled the trigger. And there you guys have it. Comment down below what you think of the new look, the dark blue metallic. Oh boy, I can't get over this. I can't wait to see it in person, in the sun after it's wet sanded. Woo! Leave a big like on the video if you're happy the route we went with this car,
and subscribe for future Mercedes content.
Signing off from Arizona here. We'll catch you guys in Texas. Take care. Have a good night.
That it feels right.